How to change wallpaper in your Windows. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can change your wallpaper in your Windows for your PC and laptop. So let's dive in. So first you have to come to your screen of your laptop or PC, and then you have to just right click on the screen, and then you have to choose this personalize option, and it's going to bring you to this window. And in this window make sure you have chosen the background option, and here you have to come to this option over here, and you get three options: picture, solid color, and slideshow. You can choose any, or you can just choose your picture over here, or you can click browse and choose any image from your gallery or your desktop and wherever you want it. And then you have to choose a fit. You can choose a fill, fit, stretch, tile, center, and span. Just choose the one that you like and you desire, and then you can just go to colors, and here you can choose any colors for your wallpaper, and then to the lock screen, and here you can just choose any background that you want. If you want a picture, you can choose picture. If you want a window spotlight, you can choose that. And if you want a slideshow, you can choose that. So that's the process that you can follow to change your wallpaper for your lock screen or your background or your desktop on your Windows, on your PC. And that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.